Welcome to AIVeda, your trusted gateway to the world of AI and future tech. Get ready to explore 8 revolutionary AI tools that are reshaping how we live, work, and create. From smart agents to voice cloning, these breakthroughs are redefining the future, and it's already begun. 1. Let's start with something straight out of a sci-fi movie, Mirage Studio by Captions AI. Mirage Studio is powered by a proprietary omnimodal foundation model. But what does that mean for you? Whether you're a marketer, storyteller, or video enthusiast, this tool lets you create narrative videos at scale with lifelike AI-generated humans. They talk with real emotion, tone, and rhythm just like real people. It's your personal cast of virtual actors, ready to perform 24/7. Next up, Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, and this one is a beast. The upgraded preview of Gemini 2.5 Pro has shown a massive 24-point LO score jump on LM Arena, reaching a score of 1,470, and a 35-point jump on WebDaVarina, hitting 1,443. That's huge. Google even announced that developers can start building with it today via the Gemini API on Google AI Studio and Vertex AI. With upgraded reasoning, science, and coding performance, Gemini 2.5 Pro is setting new benchmarks in multimodal intelligence. 3. Imagine using powerful AI without internet access. Sounds unreal? Not anymore. Google AI Edge Gallery runs AI models locally on your device, from chat to image and code generation, even editing, all offline. It's a huge leap toward making AI faster, more secure, and truly accessible, all offline. 4. Prepare to be amazed. Avatar 4 by HeyGen is their most advanced AI yet. Just upload an image and script, and it creates lifelike facial motion using an audio-to-expression engine. It mimics tone, rhythm, and emotion so well, the avatars feel human, perfect for marketing, training, and more. 5. Let's talk security and deep integration. Runner H by H Company is an AI interface that blends memory, orchestration, execution, and app integration all in one powerful dashboard. What sets it apart? All your data is stored in an encrypted, workspace-specific vault. That means your files are not used for training public models, they're retained only for your specific tasks. Privacy-first AI is the future, and Runner H is paving the way. 6. If you're a developer, meet Mistral Code, a next-gen AI coding assistant by Mistral AI. It offers instant code completions, multi-step refactoring, and works with cloud or on-prem GPUs. Whether you're using Versus Code or a custom stack, it delivers top-tier performance built to scale. 7. OpenAI is leveling up business productivity with AI-driven meeting recordings, transcriptions, and deep cloud integrations from Google Drive to HubSpot. With connectors for tools like Linear, AI is now powering how we work, collaborate, and automate knowledge like never before. And finally, Vocode AI. This tool is incredible because it can clone any voice in real time, even translating your speech into another language while keeping your own voice. Imagine recording content in Hindi and having it automatically translated and dubbed into flawless English, Japanese, or French without needing a voice actor. It's truly a voice cloning revolution, and it could be a total game changer for podcasters, YouTubers, and streamers. So there you have it, 8 groundbreaking AI innovations that are shaping our tomorrow. From hyper-realistic avatars to offline generative AI, the boundaries of what's possible are being pushed every day. Which of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it insightful. Follow AIVeda for more AI updates, deep dives, and future tech decoded. Until next time, stay curious, stay ahead. AIVeda, decode the future.